Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the missing browser on your Samsung Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, start with a simple soft reset. Turn off your Samsung Smart TV completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 2 full minutes. This step is important because it clears temporary cache files. After waiting, plug the TV back in and turn it on. In many cases, the web browser appears again automatically. If the browser is still missing, go to Settings, then open Support and select Self-Diagnosis. From here, choose Reset Smart Hub. This will reset app settings and refresh your Samsung account. When asked for a PIN, enter 0000 unless you changed it before. If that still does not work, open the Apps section, go to the search bar, and type Web Browser. Install or update it manually from the store. So that's basically how you can fix the missing browser on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching.